Hi, this is Dr. Sachin Patel with the Living Proof Institute. I wanted to spend a few minutes explaining to you the procedure when collecting the urinary organic acids test. This is an extremely important test and gives us valuable insight into key metabolic processes and systems in your body. It's important that you do this test correctly, and the instructions are actually quite simple. You're going to get your kit in a box that looks like this, and in that kit is everything that you need to perform the test. On the outside of the kit, what you're going to have is a clear envelope, and that envelope is going to contain your requisition form. On the requisition form, we're going to check off that you're going to be paying the lab directly. There's going to be a clinician signature, and we're also going to indicate the practitioner that's going to be ordering this test for you. On the first half of this requisition form, on the first page, you're going to indicate the date that the sample was collected, and on the back, you're going to indicate your patient information. We usually put a star there for you or highlight it, and also your payment form. This is going to be in US dollars. We recommend that you use a credit card, and that's the easiest way to go about doing this. So this will go back in the box or outside the box in the clear envelope. Within the box, you're also going to have a survey, and this is a personal health assessment. This is a research lab, so this is not mandatory, but we do suggest that you fill this out, and this allows the lab to correlate your symptoms with your lab findings for research purposes. Of course, your name is never used, so you can fill that out as well. That goes back in the box. The instructions are going to be enclosed as well. They're typically enclosed with the package, within the package, in a bag that looks like this. And you can just take those out and read these instructions carefully. Make sure that you understand them. If you have any questions, you can always email us. And there is a checklist here. So what you're going to want to make sure is that you follow the patient preparation instructions. The thing that's interesting about this test, or unique about this test, is that you have to make sure you don't drink too much fluids the day before. And for women, you don't want to collect this test during your menstrual cycle. That would contaminate the sample. The urine collection is quite simple. You'll collect it in a clean container, and this could be an old yogurt container, or it could also be a disposable cup, or a Tim Hortons cup, or a coffee cup, something that you can get rid of afterwards. You'll collect the sample in that cup and then use this pipette to transfer 12 milliliters into this container. You will seal this container tightly and then put it in the freezer. You will freeze a urine sample and then prepare for shipping. The night before, you will put this ice brick in the freezer. Make sure that's frozen. Once you've collected the sample, once again, you're going to freeze it, and you will then fill out the test requisition form, and then you've also got a shipping form. This is an international waybill. There's also shipping instructions included in this orange folder. Instructions are to call FedEx, and they will arrange to have a FedEx driver come and pick up the kit from your office or from your home. And then there's also 3 commercial invoices that you'll want to fill out. In this case, the shipping is prepaid, so just be sure to follow the instructions there. Once the sample has been frozen, you will put everything back into this bag along with the absorbent pad. The pipette is something that you can throw out, that's disposable. What you'll also want to make sure is that you have your name on everything. So you can use a piece of masking tape and put your name and date of birth on this file, so that way the sample is known to be yours. Everything goes back into this box, okay? And then once you've got everything in the box, you're going to put it in this big bag. You'll put this shipping label over here, and then also make sure the requisition goes back into the box, or it goes into the outside clear envelope. So this allows the lab to know exactly whose test kit it is and how to process the sample. So there you have it, a really simple, easy explanation of how this test works. Please follow the instructions. Key factors here are going to be, for women, don't do this during your menstrual cycle. For both sexes, male and female, make sure you don't drink too much fluid, particularly after 8 p.m. And then also make sure that you freeze the sample and also the freezer pack, and everything goes back into the box, and shipping label gets affixed on the outside, and the sample gets sent off. Very simple, very easy test, but a very important test in helping us uncover some of the mysteries of your health. Thank you.